Okay, here we go. Cutting in the bridges number 3. Mainline 3 is now active, back in service. And let's give it a shot here. Canadian grain train with some Pan Am power. Seems to be making it over nicely. Coming along nicely. Got the 2 bridges in. I got my bridge track in on both sides. One main line's tied in. The other will be probably next weekend. Got a lot of stuff drying over there. There we go with the CP caboose. I added talus, which is like a brown stone, on both sides of the bridge for now. I'll probably still be doing some static grass, bushes, what have you. So this is still not complete. I'll try and give you a shot through the bridge there. Got my bridge track in. 4 sections, cut them back to back. That worked out. Then came across to the other side. A little bit of a nail holding down that side, holding him in place. And then we'll do a quick duck under. Just to give you a quick shot of the other side. Talus with our earth. The shaker stuff there, the earth tone. Blend in also. And we're starting to bring in this edge. So we still have plenty more to do, but it's coming together. As usual, thanks for watching.